Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel once again. You're welcome back to another exciting episode of my videos. I am Asa. Hey, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and become part of the family, and hit on that bell notification icon and click all so that you will benefit from any video I upload. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate, guys, I really appreciate your effort. I love you all. I love you all. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know in setting up your pure water factory. Don't skip this video. Stay with me till the end. Okay guys, you're welcome back. So in setting up your pure water factory, there are things you need to consider. Yes. The first thing I want to talk about is if you have a portion of land, you need to consider a land. If you have a portion of land and then you consider drilling a borehole, I think that is a good idea. Yeah. So you bring these operators around and then they survey on the land and then determine which portion of the land has a high a water capacity which can flow frequently. Yes, so then they drill it for you. If you don't have a portion of land, and you can also decide to buy water externally, but that one is a little stressful. Yeah, because if demand is high and then you've called for water, you've called a tanker for water and they are delaying, while customers are also throwing pressure on you. It's Charlie, you can imagine it's going to be something else. It's the whole stress on you. So if you consider drilling a borehole, it's going to help you. It's going to help you anyway, depending on your capacity. Yeah, but if you consider drilling a borehole, it's a good idea. Yeah, it's a good idea. And then after drilling the borehole too, then you carry out your pipeline connections to your factory. Yes, so if you have a factory already, then you connect your pipeline connections to your factory. If you don't have a factory already, you can drill the borehole one after the other. You can drill the borehole and then later on construct a very cute factory. If you have a vacant room and it is not functioning, you can also turn it into a pure water factory. And as time goes on and you get some income, you can vacate from the room and then set up a very cool factory. So the next thing I want to talk about too is the poly tanks. Yeah, you can choose from any size of poly tanks, like the rainbow showing on the screen. Yes, so you can choose from any size of these poly tanks, and then you can decide that, oh, maybe I want two poly tanks to hold my raw water, and I want two other poly tanks to hold my pure water. Yes, and then also if you that is when you have set up your factory. I mean, like, in setting up your factory, you will need the machines. It could either be the Koyo machine or any other type of the machine, like Creative Flex type of machines or the Chinese product Koyo machine. And then with your filters too, you can consider RO or SUVs. If you can afford RO, you can try the SUVs. It's also cool. Yes, so you can try all these types. I'll be showing pictures on the screen so that you can also have a fair idea of the RO machine, the SUV. Yeah, so like pictures like this, you can choose from them, and then you can choose from them and buy the type that you can afford. The next thing to consider is water pumping machines. There are two types. There's one standing, and it's like one is horizontal, or I mean, one is horizontal, one is vertical. Yes, one is horizontal, one is vertical. So one, you can decide that this one will carry out the filtration processes, and the other one will also carry out the extraction process. So one of the water pumps will help in you know refining your raw water into a pure water. And the pure water, the one will also help in extracting the pure water to the machine for production. Yeah. So the two things, the next thing you have to also consider is water pumping machines. You're going to need two. And then also you have to make sure that your factory is well arranged. Your factory is well arranged. You have to get some pallet. You have to get some pallet that you will keep your produce on. Yeah, so that they don't attract any external odors. Now, sachet water is something that if you leave it on the floor for some time, like it even attracts the odor in the floor into it. So sometimes when you taste it, you could realize that the taste has changed drastically. Yeah, so you also consider arranging your factory very nicely. And then I'll also do a video and show you how you can pack your water on a very small space. Yeah, even if you don't have much space, how you can pack your water in a very small space, yeah, to fix your factory. Yes, so after all these things, then you register your company. You register your company to avoid any harassment, okay, with the necessary authorities, agents responsible for water, staff, FDA, I don't know, like any agent responsible. Yeah, so you register your company with them. And then also one last thing is to design your block. There is something called block. It is, so when you buy a pure water, the design you see on the rubber, it is the design the block create. So when you locate this rubber manufacturing production companies, like they will prescribe a block for you. And then it's not like they will even prescribe a block for you. You will bring your design, and then they will create the block for you. So it is the block that is going to produce your design for you day in and day out. So your block will be with the company anytime you go, or anytime you can make a call and then order for products, so that they will create it for you. Yeah, and then you go pick them up and then start your produce. Yeah. All right, so guys, that's all I have for today. That's all I have for you guys. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much. God bless you. Keep subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are missing massively. You are missing. So subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell notification icon, so that you benefit from any video I upload. All right, see you in my next video. God be with you.